If you have been craving an authentic Nigerian party stew and you don't know how to make it, then I want you to keep watching this video as I show you how to make this delicious Nigerian stew in minutes. So this is what you got to do. You gotta start by boiling your protein to extract a rich broth. You will need to season the chicken with some dried thyme, curry powder, crushed scotch bonnet, fresh ginger, minced garlic, chicken bouillon seasoning, salt, chopped onions, and fresh sprigs of rosemary. Stir the meat around and make sure all the seasonings are well coated. Place the lid on and cook the meat for 10 minutes without adding water. After 10 minutes, add about 3 cups of water to the chicken and bring to a boil for 15 minutes. Now you have succeeded in extracting a rich broth. You can drain the chicken from the broth and set both aside. The next thing you wanna do is to place a large pot on heat. Add enough vegetable oil to the pot and also drop few pieces of onions for flavor. Add all the cooked chicken pieces to the hot oil and fry for about 5 minutes. You want to make sure the chicken is golden brown on one side before flipping to the opposite side. Once all the pieces are beautifully golden, just like this, you can drain them from the oil and set aside. After that, add about 3 cups of the same oil to a soup pot. Go in with your chopped onions, fresh ginger, and minced garlic. Saute these aromatics for 3 minutes or until fragrant. Now add some bay leaves and continue to stir fry until the onions are properly fried. Once you have achieved that, bring in your tomato paste and stir well until it dissolves nicely into the oil. You will want to stir fry the tomato paste for about 7 minutes until the sour taste is completely gone. Next, you want to go in with your tomato and pepper puree. I like to leave mine to dissolve on heat. Once this has dissolved nicely in the oil, you want to make sure you stir this intermittently for about 15 minutes until the stew is properly fried. Now, this has been frying on low heat for about 15 minutes. It's time to season with some curry powder, dried thyme, paprika, salt, chicken bouillon, and more scotch bonnet pepper. Just give this a mix until it is well incorporated. You can then add your just extracted chicken broth to it and stir until everything is well combined. Once you have done that, place a lid on and leave the stew to simmer on low heat for at least 20 minutes. This will allow it to cook properly and turn out really amazing. Just after 20 minutes of cooking this, you can return the fried chicken into the stew. At this point, you can notice the stew is bubbling so fast. So you gotta be careful so you don't burn your skin. Now stir this and make sure everything comes together nicely. And then place a lid on and simmer it again for another 10 minutes. Now let's take a look at the stew. You can see this is bubbling away and it's so flavorful. You can stir this again and adjust for any other seasoning that you want. Just take a look at that vibrant red color. And all the chicken pieces had the chance to soak up all the tasty flavor and aroma. If you try this out, you will definitely love this Nigerian party stew. It's so easy to make. I always love serving my stew over boiled rice. However, there are other accompaniments such as boiled yam, pasta, and potatoes that you can still pair with this stew, and you will still love it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends around. If this is your first time watching my video, you are so much welcome. I appreciate you. Go ahead and click the subscribe button and also the notification bell to keep you posted. Until next time, I love to see you again. Bye!